Texas. To probe FTX endorsement by Tom Brady, Stephen Curry, and other celebrities, in the past, surveys have found that nearly half of retail investors will follow digital asset advice from the social media accounts of celebrities and influencers without questioning, and this has seen more than a few use their influence to chill crypto products and projects. US Senator urged Fidelity to reconsider its Bitcoin offering after FTX blow-up. The crypto skeptic senator suggested that FTX collapse made it abundantly clear that the digital asset industry has serious problems. In a letter addressed to Fidelity Investments CEO Abigail Johnson on November 21st, the three senators said that the recent fall of FTX is more reason than any for the $4.5 trillion asset management firm to reconsider Bitcoin offering to retirement savers, stating, "The recent implosion of FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange, has made abundantly clear that the digital asset industry has serious problems. Data shows traders are slightly bullish even as crypto total market cap falls under 800 billion. The total crypto market cap has dropped under 800 billion, but data highlights a few reasons why some traders are bullish. Traders can gauge the market's overall sentiment by measuring whether more activity is going towards call, buy options, or put, sell options. Generally speaking, call options are used for bullish strategies, whereas put options are bearish ones. The options put-call ratio shows moderate bullishness. A 0.70 put-call ratio indicates that put options open interest lags the more bullish, calls by 30% and therefore bullish. In contrast, a 1.20 indicator favors put options by 20%, which can be deemed bearish. Why is the Bitcoin price down today? The Bitcoin price is reacting to the stress placed on the markets by FTX widespread contagion, reaching a yearly low after a period where many thought a bear market bottom had been found. Data from Glassnode shows 1.4 billion in realized losses for the week of November 12th, ranking the fourth largest in history. Make sure to be for crypto, follow for more content, like, subscribe and share.